Back for Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade module 6, lesson 14. With me, Mr. Short. Hey, thanks for all those subscribers. The numbers are up. Hopefully these videos have helped you all year. We have a few more. We have 20 lessons, and then we'll do a review to get us ready for that last test of the year for math. All right, so we're on pages 93 and 94 today. It says complete the equations and find the unknown angle measure. Check the measurement by using a protractor. All right, so hopefully you have a protractor at home. But if you don't, that's going to be okay on this assignment. All right, we can do it without it. Just make sure we're paying attention. All right, it says angle LMN is a right angle. It tells us it's a right angle. So that means it is a 90-degree angle. Okay, so it wants us to find what x is because it doesn't give us x. Well, we know the total is 90, right? 90 degrees. We gives us 1, so we know this is 35 over here. So now this is just a subtraction problem. Now we just need to take 90 minus 35. What's 90 minus 35? We'll do it the OPM way, the old person math. Well, I have 0, so I can't take 5 away. So let's go next door and borrow 10 more. So now I'm going to have 10 here, and that which is going to give me 8 here because I borrowed 10 and moved the 10 over. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. So our answer is 55 degrees, right? So it says the measure of OMN. So OMN. Remember, our middle is always the angle. So we're going from O to M to N. That's what we need to know. So that is 55 degrees. Okay. I like to always put the degrees on here. It doesn't always want that, but I always like to put it on there to be sure. All right. Over here it says RST is a right angle. That means this is 90 degrees again. Okay, I'm not going to help as much with this one. I'm going to set you up for success. That right there is going to help you. I'm going to help on one of the bottom ones because it's a different type of angle to make sure we get that. But if you do this the same way we did this, you're going to be absolutely fine. All right, on the bottom it says BCM is a straight angle. So straight across, straight angle. Well, what do we know a straight angle is? How many degrees is a straight angle? That's correct, 180. So put that 180 right here. Okay, so now we got to find what x is. Well, we know we have right here ACM, right? ACM is 115. We know our total is 180, so just do the opposite, right? If this is addition, we need to do subtraction to find what we're missing. So I'm going to write over here 180 minus, oops, let me move my minus sign, my subtraction sign, minus 115. All right. So we still can't take 5 away from 0. So go next door, change that to a 7, change this to a 10. All right, 10 minus 5 is, 7 minus 1 is, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So look at that. We almost right up there. Put that degree sign right there. So 65 plus 115 equals 180. So x is going to be 65 degrees. And the measure of BCA is 65 degrees. Sorry, my paper keeps sliding on me. Now my paper's... Some of these days are just rough. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. Teachers are tired too. All right. So over here, straight angle again. Use that to help you. This should be here, and I'll let you guys figure out the rest of your own. All right, let's look at page 94 on the back. It says, use the redraw right process to solve the problem. James has 3 strings of blue lights that are each 576 inches long. He has another string of yellow lights that is 816 inches long. He also has a string of green lights. The total length of all the strings of lights is 3,156 inches. It doesn't tell us how long the green lights are. So it says, how long is the string of green lights? That's what it wants to find first. It says about. It wants you to estimate. So we're going to estimate, all right, 3 strings of blue that are 576 inches long. So we're going to round that. We can round that by tens or round that to hundreds because we want about. I think, look at these numbers. We're going to round. We'll round by hundreds just to make it easier. So this is going to round to 600, but it's 3 times. right? He has another string of yellow lights, so that yellow lights went around that to 800. So add 0, 0, 6 and 6, 12, 12 and 6, 18, 18 plus 8. What's 18 plus 8? 26. Good. So put that 6 here. The 2 would go up here. We'll just put that 6 right there. All right. So it's about 26 inches total for all of them. Well, we know this is the total inches. So we're going to round that to the nearest 100, right, to keep us about with what we're doing. So we round that to the nearest 100. Oops, my mistake. That's going to round to about 3,200 inches minus 2,600 inches. So 0, 0. Change that to a 12. This will be a 2 now. So 12 minus 6 is 6. So it's about our estimate for the 600 inches of green. We'll put green because it's green lights. All right. Now it wants to know the real answer. Well, I'll get you started, but you're going to finish this one on your own. So you need to add 5, 7, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 7, 6. Remember, we have 3 strings of blue lights that are each this long. So you got to show that 3 times. Okay. Then we have the yellow lights is 816 inches long. And then we know the total length of all the lights combined is this long, but you got to find out how long the green lights are, right? So do it just like we did this problem. All right, down here. Minus equals. All right. And then is your answer reasonable? That means is it kind of close to what we did up here so that you know your answer makes sense. Okay? All right. That's it for me. That's it for this one. We're almost there. This is lesson 14. We're almost done. 20 is the last one. All right. This is Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade module 6, lesson 14. I'm Mr. Short. I'm out of here to have a good night. Hopefully you do too.